welcome back. So today is going to be a natural hair day. So as you guys can see, I am wearing my natural hair. So I've been playing around with clip-ins for the past few months. I decided to reopen my hair company. So the truth is, you guys, it never really went away. I just stopped selling hair for a little bit, but my website still exists and everything's still up. I just kind of had it hidden from the public because I just kind of wanted to take time and regroup and decide if I still wanted to sell hair. And my love for my natural hair has truly grown over the past few years. So my love for weave was kind of dying down a little bit, and I just wasn't as into the whole weave thing as I used to be. So I kind of just stopped selling hair. But so many of you guys have been emailing me lately, and it's funny because I've been going back and forth in my head, like, should I reopen it? Should I still sell hair? And it's just like I've been running into people and we've been talking about hair stuff, and people are like, oh, you don't sell hair anymore, and it's just been coming up a lot. I had a few people hit me up that were customers from before, mostly my viewers, you guys, and saying that you guys missed the curly hair and you missed the hair that I sold in general. And I was like, you know, this might be a sign. I think I want to start doing this again. My love for beauty and stuff is coming back, and I think I just went through a little phase where I just wasn't as into it, but now it's starting to like come back. So I decided that I wanted to reopen my hair company and just keep it simple and just genuine and all the hair that you guys used to buy all the time. But I wanted to add curly clip-ins to it because I've been wearing them for a while now. I just took some of the curly hair that I had lying around from my hair company before, and I sewed some clips onto it. So I was like, I really want to sell curly clip-ins. So these will be added to the site if you guys would like to purchase them. I'm obsessed. They match my natural hair so well. That was the one thing that I loved about the curly hair that I sold, is it always matched my natural hair. And that was one of my biggest things with curly hair, is it going to match my hair? Because I am someone who is natural and I do like to wear my curly hair from time to time. So I figured that I would start selling the hair that I used to sell in clip-ins as well. So if you guys would like to purchase these clip-ins, I will put the link down below. I'm going to be adding them to the website very, very soon. When I do two-strand twists, it matches way better with these clip-ins than my actual natural curl pattern. So I wanted to just kind of blend them a lot better, and I found that this works. So all of my hair is sort of like pushed towards the front. I wanted to have that, like, you know, this curly fro, curly bangs look, I guess. All right, yeah, so let's just get into this tutorial. I'm done rambling. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. So I'm starting out by just separating my hair to put the clip-ins in. I like to start at the bottom, but I still leave a significant amount of hair down there. So I'm taking the 3-clip weft, and I'm just going to be kind of like teasing my roots, even though my hair is curly, so it should stay. But sometimes, you know, I like to do that as well. And I'm just clipping my hair up away and adding the clip-ins in. So one thing that I realized that I needed to do was sort of stretch my hair a bit to blend in better. My hair has some serious shrinkage, you guys, so I like to kind of take the blow dryer and just go in at the root and stretch it so that I can add the clip-ins. My hair when straight is actually the length of the clip-ins, which is really funny, but when it's curly it's just super short. So I like to just add a little bit of volume and length to my hair with these clip-ins. These are 14-inch clip-ins. Again, they're available on hairbyashleyshanel.com. So if you guys are looking to purchase them, just make sure you hit up my website. So for the rest of this video, I'm just gonna be blow drying the roots, stretching my hair, and adding in the clip-ins, and that's pretty much it. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you visit my website, hairbyashleychannel.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. It's going to be a lot of natural hair videos coming up this month. Love you guys. Bye.